Okay, and next our job is to remove this front bumper, this part. And this is easy job, and let's go to do that job. And we take some screws away. Okay, and this front bumper removal is interesting thing because there are hidden bolts in that area, in here, 2 screws in that area. What we have to now remove. And let's go to look where they are, because they are really difficult position. And now when we can see, there are first screw is in here, this area, and then second is in here. And we have to take both of these screws away, in here and in here. And these screws can be in 8 millimeter or 10 or 10 Torx bolts. Let's go to look at what is this in my side. Okay, and now we can see those both screws. And when I use now my Torx head drill pipe, I can open this first one, it drops, and then second is in here. This side area, difficult to see, it is in just in here, very difficult. Okay, now they opens, and after that I can little bit pull out that. And now we can see these screws, and this is this legendary BMW's engineering. They have installed in here 2 screws that this bumper is in right position when we are driving like 200 miles per hour. This is German masterpiece engineering to highways, and like German says, in Autobahn racing in München via Berlin. Okay, and now we take same bolts away in another side, and then we go to open next bolts. Okay, and you like to see what kind of screws they are. They can be in that side or this 8 millimeter rusty bolts. And remember that these can to be a little bit difficult to remove, but we have always time to work with these rusty bolts. Okay, and this front bumper removal, it is important that we take these screws away and we test that these side areas are moving both sides. This is critical, carefully. And next we go to look in these upper areas, bolts in here. Okay, and in this upper area there is new BMW's interesting bolt, and this bolt must be again Torx bolt and different sides, of course. Okay, and now we need Torx this socket, what looks like that, and this is T27, and this socket fits in these holes in here. And this is like some German engineers dream, that we use Torx bolts and then normal screws and 8 and 10 millimeter bolts, and what more different size and different types, then the better final result. And this is this classic BMW engineering from München, Germany. And next we open these screws in that way. And now this screw opens, and these screws can be rusty and they can be difficult to open, but if you are lucky you can open all of these in that way. Good. And then there is this side areas in here. Good. In that way, very well. And when we have take these screws away in this way, next we can carefully move that up. And this is good sign, because next we can lift this front bumper away. Okay, and now really, when all screws are away, we can carefully take this front bumper away, but then we have to notice that there are, in some models, there are these windshield, these headlights phosphors, and we have to take these covers in here away. Flathead screwdriver, carefully we move that in here, and then we bend this side areas in that way, and carefully bend these and do not damage these. But if this goes broken, we can go to visit in BMW center. This is important that we can take out this front bumper, both sides. Be carefully with these side parts, because these are locking holes, and if we bend this plastic too much, then this brokens and we have to purchase new part. They are plastic from BMW center, and we have to paint that in like silver. Work carefully with plastic parts. And there is the second. Carefully in here and bend, and this opens nicely. Good. Okay, and now when all screws and all these extra parts from this front bumper are away, we can go in here and carefully we take good grip and lift up, and then carefully we move the back both sides, and after that this front bumper is free. Excellent. And now front bumper is free, and then we remove this part away.